say welcome to Bike Week 2023.
Welcome to Bike Week 2023.
Awesome job. All right, here we go. Rolling. Yep, we're headed to Myrtle Beach Bike Week. Rolling out now.
Snake eyes, 9 lives. Take care of business the first time. Rake my hands through the dirt like a beast who roams the earth. It's do or die. Gonna make you cry. Come to your town to hunt you down.
All right, me and Osa Pilar about to head to Georgetown for lunch. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a good, safe ride. Let's roll. Hey, hot girl walked up to the mailbox and the painter stopped painting.
On your heels, breathing down your neck. Do you feel what's coming next? It's do or die. Gonna make you cry. Come to your town to hunt you down. Show no mercy to all who fear me. Ready or not, I will unleash my secret weapon. And in a demon, I release my secret weapon. Not afraid of anything, my secret weapon. At any moment, I unload my secret weapon. It's ready anytime. Secret weapon, and in a demon I release my secret weapon. Not afraid of anything, my secret weapon. At any moment I unload my secret weapon. It's ready anytime. I'm a secret weapon. Oh, oh. I'm a secret weapon. Oh, oh.
Even in the shade. Yeah, boy. All right, so now we've made it to Georgetown on the coast. We're gonna go down to, I think, a place called Big Tuna, recommended by a local that we just talked to.
Grouper, whole flounders, seafood platters, cheeseburgers,
You don't mind
chicken
getting
fingers.
hammered, do
Not
you?
at all. I've been on it too many times.
Yeah, I bet.
What are you looking for?
Seafood.
We got the best. We got great seafood platter from the scallops, shrimp, the fried oysters, French fries, anything else you can imagine on there that you can get it.
Okay.
Sold.
Sold.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
I'll grab you a hostess real
You
quick.
did a good
Get
job,
that.
man. biting them on. They're attacking him.
I got a little pontoon boat I do tours with.
I got you.
We motored up from south end of Myrtle Beach today.
Okay. All right. So literally, you're the captain for this trip.
Yeah, I
mean,
own XTO excursions.
Okay. Let me get. Yeah, come back in just a couple of minutes if you would. So tell me about your business. I got a little YouTube channel. Just got it started. All right. So what's your name?
Kent Hendrick.
Kent Hendrick, Captain Kent. I
Yes,
see.
sir.
All right. Well, cool, man.
I do
If I ever get a
historical
boatload of
tours.
girls come to the beach, I'll look you up.
Historical tours of the waterfront in Conway and what
Right.
we did on the water back in the day.
Right.
You know, a lot of people think that we were cotton in tobacco.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
weren't.
no
we
doubt.
were lumber in
Yeah.
our area
Right,
first.
right.
Cotton and tobacco came later.
Yeah.
And in this area was rice.
Right.
I've been
Well,
fired, locked up.
I will tell you this: on a good day, they ain't a better job. But 3 good days a year is hard to live on.
I bet
Hard to
so.
survive on, you know? I mean, it gets. I shouldn't say much. I mean, right now my current gig is actually about as good as they get. You know, it's just an unbelievable school. But it took me 29 years to land there. You know what I mean? And now I'm ready to be done.
I retired from the phone company.
Yeah. So anyway, so tell me about your music. So obviously your favorite instrument is drums.
Well, my mother was a music teacher. I never learned to play the piano for real.
Okay.
One was the Thank You Garden. I played clarinet in the high school band. And didn't really,
Now, if you'd have told me you were in the band, I might have been able to guess what it was.
but
Pretty good at that, actually, because I do teach band.
we had a sock hop at church,
Okay.
talent show, and they were putting together a little band and did not have a drummer. I said, well, I can keep the beat because I grew up with music with my
Right,
mom.
right.
I learned to read music by turning the pages for my mother, because she was the organist at church,
Uh-huh.
and she used to nod her head for me to turn the page.
Right.
And I said, I'm gonna figure out so I can turn the page without her nod, and that's how I learned how to read music.
Yeah, right.
So they didn't have a drummer. I said, I can keep the beat,
Right.
and I played for about 4 years.
Oh, that's cool.
It was fun.
So if drums aren't your favorite instrument, what is your favorite instrument? Clarinet?
No, it would have been drums. I
Yeah,
misplayed the drums.
Yeah, I was a drummer at heart, but the band director didn't allow drums at my school that year that I started, and I ended up playing the saxophone. Worked out pretty good. I was pretty good at it, you know. But so what kind of bikes did you ride?
1978 FLH.
I'm gonna get over here where we don't get that pole and too much in the
And I rode
video.
it until I drank it away.
Until you what?
Drank it away.
Oh yeah, okay.
I drank it away.
I understand.
And then didn't ride for a few years, and then bought a 1200 Sportster
Okay.
hot rod.
Yeah.
0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds.
Yeah.
And in 3 years, I put 70,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
I rode every day.
Yeah. Awesome.
And then traded up to a custom deluxe.
Okay.
Rode it till I drank it away.
Yeah. Well, so you really don't have any more lies to tell, do you?
Bought a
Things
used
to hide.
Softail that was still carbureted, you know, in fuel
Right.
injection. Rode it for a couple of years.
Right.
And at Myrtle Beach, it just got so dangerous. I said, you know what?
Right.
I've had enough.
Right.
Came home from the beach, stopped at the boat store, and traded and
Traded
bought
for a
bucket.
boat. Black and grouper. How about them dogs? All right, we all done with lunch. We're about to head back up to the Suck Bang Blow. Beautiful old neighborhoods, historic churches. Yep, I tell you, just like Harley didn't red a mule, mistake. made it to Beaver Bar. Lot of bite. Cool stuff.